Our next topic is people and culture. I'm sure you all can relate to it. If you are doing job since last few years, I am sure you would have met a boss who was maybe unfair, or in certain cases you had to leave job because of such bosses. Such bosses do exist. It is said that more people leave jobs due to boss and culture and less due to the company. This is something, we might have unfortunately met a boss like this. Along with that, we also had few bosses in the organization who have actually shaped our careers, who taught us in spite of everything which was not fair, we still can grow. So today in this particular activity, we will go back and see what we didn't like and what we liked. But if you want to be a little more clear on the difference between people and culture, especially in this activity, what it means, here people is your boss and colleagues, and culture is the way in which your boss deals with you. Your boss's boss and his boss deals. It shows the culture. So what do I mean is, if 3 or 4 bosses or seniors behave in a specific direction, that is the unsaid culture of an organization, and we want to note that. Here we want to avoid bad past or current experience and culture and prepare ourselves for a delightful future experience. And just like the previous activity, the first column should be our company name in the reverse order. The next column against each company is to list out the nature of your boss or your senior that you did not like. Here you need not mention their name, their designation, their age. That is past now. We want to just see something that doesn't appeal us. So we don't want to mention their name, but just what we did not like. To state few example, it could be that they were pestering you, or you were never given any support, but you were expected to do everything. Or maybe your boss was, or your senior was very dominating. He would never guide you on anything. Or very political kind of a person, expected to work extra hours or maybe working on weekends. Also here, certain bosses may make you work extra hour, or in need they might ask you to work on weekend. However, in such scenarios, when it is presented to you, was it in a healthy state? If yes, then you need to ignore. Why? Because any organization, they would want somebody to work extra hour when there is a need. So if it is not a daily practice, if it is once in a while, I'm sure we cannot consider that as something that we didn't like. Anything additional that you did not like about your boss, it could be even that he was insulting. So against each organization, mention 2 to 3 points. I am sure with recent organization or your recent past, the last organization, you might have more number of things that you didn't like about the culture, company, your boss, your senior. And the more you write about the previous one and the previous, and you move to the last job or your first job in this case, then in that case the number of dislikes would reduce a bit, which is very natural, unless and until except there was a boss who had a very bad impression on your mind. So please fill this with the dislikes without mentioning a person's name, and we'll move to the next column. So in case you wish, you may pause the video. Okay, once that is done, I'm sure if we had somebody whom we did not like, there would be somebody who would be supporting us. I'm sure we all had good seniors too, who would have helped, to learn things, who would have helped to understand office culture, told how things are supposed to be done, were patient when we did wrong, encouraged us to do better, and the most important, at times they told that you may do whatever you want to do. If you falter, I am standing right there behind you. I'm sure we all had better seniors. It could either be a boss or senior or somebody who helped shaping our careers. Here too, we will mention that quality of a senior or nature that we really liked, or maybe culture that help you to grow. That also should be mentioned. Certain organization provide very healthy culture, and if you are lucky to be a part of such organization, what was it about that organization that you really liked? Please mention that. I am sure you remembered few of your bosses or colleague who have helped and brought a smile on your face. You may definitely call them later in the day once this activity is done. So, this is what we will mention in the likes. And the last column, as usual, in the last column, please enter ideal culture, a boss, or a colleague. So, what is it which is ideal for you? So, mention that again, it is not with respect to the company, it is in any order that you can mention. Once everything is ready, as usual, we will highlight or star mark 2 to 3 strong dislikes, 2 to 3 likes which we resonate a lot, and whatever in the last column that you've mentioned which is a must, which you resonate or you would want to be in future, which is must in you, then please highlight these 3 things. Congratulations. So we are done with 2 topics, people and culture and place and things. And we have found that we have strong opinion about something we don't like, and we also have a different opinion for what we like and what is our ideal situation. Just like the previous activity, highlight or mark a star for the top 3 parameters under dislike, like, and ideal for what you think you have a strong opinion for. You are doing really great. So let's move to the next topic, which is really interesting. We are going to look back into our childhood memories where we did superb job as a kid, where we will remember all our good incidents as a child. So let's jump right into it.